Ang mga prutas sa Pilipinas ay pang world class, Shaira.
Tama ka dyan, Kaloy. At yan nga ang food adventure ni Chef JR. Gamit ang iba't ibang prutas, nagagawa itong pang world class na inumin.
Aba, samahan natin si Chef JR sa food adventure niyang ito. Let's watch this.
Kada food adventure, dapat may masarap tayong inumin. Kaya naman bumisita ako dito sa Calamba, Laguna para ibida ang first authentic craft distillery sa bansa.
2018 nang magsimulang gumawa ng pangalan worldwide ang proudly Philippine-made spirits na Archipelago o Arch Gin. Ito ay sa pangunguna ng mag-asawang Matthew at Lori Jimenez Westfall. Ang kanilang best-tasting gin nakatanggap na ng mga pagkilala internationally tulad ng Best Contemporary Style Gin at Best Mature Gin ng 2019 World Gin Awards.
Today we're going to make Arch Botanical Gin, and what we're doing now is we're going to be taking our dried botanicals and all our fruit sourced from all around the archipelago. Our mango from the Sol Pangasinan, our dayap, dalandan, calamansi, Benguet pine from Mountain Province, pomelo from Davao. All of that is going to go into the pot here with our alcohol and our water. And then what we're going to do is add our vapor basket trays. And these are our softer botanicals. So these softer botanicals are going to go into the vapor basket where we're going to coax out those essential oils in a very gentle way.
Sa kanilang distillery tour, unang ibinida ni Sir Matthew ang proseso ng distillation o paggawa ng gin gamit ang kanilang pot still at vapor chamber.
Strong alcohol coming out. Pagbukas mo ng pinto, para siyang nanununtok. So, ito yung second part nung nagbibigay ng flavor sa kanilang mga gins is, ito nga, yung parang vapor chamber. So, yung mga medyo sensitive na ingredient, dito nila nilalagay. Kasi yung kabila, steam, so mas aggressive, mas malakas yung init na lumalabas. And so, ongoing yung distillation ng ating first batch ng gin.
For vodka, it's going to come through here and filter over this like a waterfall.
Botanical, definitely pag amoy mo, mabangong-mabango yung bubungad sa ilong mo. Yung blend ng flavor at saka ng aroma is just perfect. Ito yun naman, ito yung black bamboo natin na gin. So infuse ito. Locally grown yung bamboo na ginagamit nila. Very smooth pa rin siya. May konting tingling sensation sa dila. I think this is my favorite. So ito yung ating barrel reserve gin. Ito yung ginagamitan natin ng oak barrels from Napa, California. Lagi nating i-enjoy ang bawat tagumpay sa buhay. Kaya, kampay!
This is sort of the flavor.